Should I transfer my home to my kids now or leave it to them when I die? I'm Jace Allen, an estate planning attorney, and one of the most common and dangerous questions I hear is this: should I just transfer my house to my kids now to avoid probate? It sounds simple, but the truth is giving your home to your children while you're alive can create more problems than it solves. So let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the cons of transferring your home during your lifetime. 1. Capital gain taxes. If you give your home away now, your kids will inherit your cost basis, what you paid for the house. That means if they sell it later, they could owe a huge capital gains tax bill, depending on what your basis is. But if they inherit it when you die, they get a step up in basis to the value at your death, potentially eliminating capital gains entirely. 2. Medicaid penalty. If you need long-term care within 5 years of transferring your home, Medicaid can penalize that gift, delaying or even disqualifying your benefits. It's called the 5-year look-back period. 3. Loss of control and risk exposure. Once the house is in your kids' names, it's legally theirs. If they get divorced, sued, or go bankrupt, your home is on the line. And if there's tension in the family, things can get messy fast. You still live there. If you gift the home and continue to live in it, the IRS might still consider it part of your taxable estate, and your kids could lose the capital gains protection and face scrutiny over gift taxes. Now, there are some pros. Transferring the home now can avoid probate and sometimes help with Medicaid planning, if done well in advance and as part of a larger strategy. But there's a better option: an irrevocable trust. Placing your home in a properly designed Medicaid asset protection trust, you keep control, preserve your Medicaid eligibility after 5 years, and avoid probate. And your kids still get a step up in basis when you pass, if done right, meaning little or no capital gains tax. Now, it has to be done correctly, and so you need to seek legal advice. And importantly, the trust shields the house from your kids' creditors' lawsuits or divorces because they don't legally own it yet. So should you transfer your home to your kids while you're alive? In most cases, no. It's too risky, too costly, and too permanent. Talk to an estate planning attorney first. There are smarter, safer ways to protect your home, qualify for Medicaid if needed, and still leave a meaningful legacy without unintended consequences. Thanks for listening.